make his pockets hurt. Hurt make this beat. If the nigga wanna hit it, make that nigga spend it, make his pockets hurt.
Hey guys, so first I'm gonna take this brown taupe color and put that all over my lid and blend it out. Then I'm gonna take this darker brown shade and I'm gonna put that in the outer V of my eyelid. And then I'm taking this reddish brown color and I'm just putting that on top because I didn't really like how the darker brown looked at first. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Then I'm gonna take this dark brown and this black shade and I'm gonna put that on the outer V of my eyelid. And that's just to give it like this nice little, like, I guess it's a smoky effect, but I'm not really sure. It just looks nice. And then I'm gonna start cutting my crease. It's gonna be a half cut crease. And I'm just using my Juvia's Place Concealer to cut my crease. And I'm taking these 3 shades from the James Charles palette and I'm just setting the concealer that I laid down. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look and I'm about to start with my base. I have my Juvia's Place Concealer and my Anastasia foundation and I mix those two just to give me the perfect color. See, I don't really use a lot of foundation. Like, I use a very light layer. And I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to blend it out. I don't use beauty blenders to blend out any of my cream products, to be honest. Next, I'm just gonna put on some of this concealer on my under eyes. Then I take my Milk little makeup sticks and I contour my face and I put some cream blush on. You guys, when I tell you that using the cream products is way more, it just looks so much more better than using the powder products by itself, because I still put powder on top. And I'm just gonna blend everything out and make sure everything is blended together and it just looks completely smooth and radiant. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Holy Grail, my Charlotte Tilbury powder. You have to get this powder, guys. It's a little on the more expensive side, but it's so fucking worth it. Like, it's so fucking worth it. Mind my motherfucking language, but it's fucking worth it. Then I'm just gonna contour my face, and I do use the James Charles palette for a lot of things. It has the perfect little contour shade for me, and I love it. I'm just gonna contour my nose. I don't really know how to do nose contour, so yeah. And I'm just gonna put one of the middle shades as my blush, and it just looks so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips next with just a regular brown lip liner. I finally get some motherfucking lashes, you guys, and then I'm gonna put on some highlighter. And I use the Juvia's Place highlighter. It's a loose powder, and I just think it looks so much better than pressed highlighters. I'm just gonna touch up my lip liner a little bit and we're golden. And I just feel like this look is so pretty to wear anywhere, anytime. And it's just so easy to do. I'm adding a little bit of moles because I just think that's cute right now. I was listening to Jeff music. But yeah, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.